Hello everyone. Instagram is the best photo and video sharing app over all other social media sites. What makes it different? Over 1 billion monthly active users, as of today. Attracting the younger generations. Stories make your business relatable. You can partner with influencers. Actively engage your brand with targeted customers. In this video, we are going to see how to set up a business profile on Instagram. First, install the Instagram app on your Android mobile. Click on the Instagram app. Then click on the sign up option. Now there are two options. Either you can continue with your Facebook page or sign up with your email ID or phone number. Click on Next. You will see the name and password. Put the name of your business. And put the password. Then continue and synchronize your contact. Then you will see the window where Welcome to Instagram and your business name. Then click on Next. Find Facebook friends to follow. Either you can skip this option or connect to Facebook. Then you will find all the contacts of your Facebook and click on Next. You can add a profile photo. Either we can import from a Facebook photo or choose from a library. Your profile photo is updated and click on the Next tab. Here is your Instagram profile is updated. Then click on the Profile tab at the right side, where you can see your Instagram profile. Click on the Edit Profile tab, where you can see your business name, username and website and buy options. Put your website name and put your address. Click on the right option. You will see your profile is updated. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries, write to us in comments. Or email us on email ID displayed on the screen. For latest update or tips on digital marketing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.